how to create an account on Steam. Now you can do this in two ways. The first way is to download Steam and then create an account from the launcher. For example, here I opened up Steam and here you should see create a free account right here. Click this and here simply type in your email, confirm your email address. I just copy paste it. Confirm you're not a robot. You can only do this if you're 13 or older. Now the other way that you can do this is head over to your web browser and go to the Steam website. So just type in Steam and here you go, store.steampowered.com. Here you can log in, and once you click log in, you should click here at the bottom. It says join Steam. Click that and from here you can create an account. So from here you can just enter your email address, select I'm not a robot. And of course you can only do this if you're 13 or older. So let's continue. And once this is done, you need to head over to your email and you should get a verify code. Here you go, new Steam account email verification. And here click on verify my email address. And there you go, email verified. Now you can close all of this. Now you can go back and type in the username that you want to use. So I'll just do let's go. And there you go. That's how to create an account on Steam. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like and subscribe as every single like counts, and see you in the next video.